This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending February 8th, 2025. The market finished lower this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average decreased minus 0.99% on Friday and was down minus 0.54% for the week. The S&P 500 decreased minus 0.95% on Friday and was down minus 0.24% for the week. The Nasdaq decreased minus 1.36% on Friday and was down minus 0.53% for the week. But that doesn't really matter because no matter what the market does, I get cash flow from Bitcoin. Bitcoin was down minus 6.24% this week, but that doesn't really matter much either because I can generate cash flow from Bitcoin as long as it is volatile. And we know that Bitcoin, if nothing else, is volatile. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is about $2,000 per month from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and ETFs. I created a watch list I use to determine which options of Bitcoin stocks and ETFs that I may want to sell. And looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was CleanSpark Incorporated, ticker symbol CLSK. It's in the second column. It was up 9.15% on Friday and increased 8.52% for the week. CleanSpark Incorporated is a Bitcoin mining company that independently owns and operates data centers in Georgia, Mississippi, Wyoming, Tennessee, and New York. CleanSpark primarily operates their data centers on low carbon power, which gives them a reputation of being environmentally friendly. This week, I generated cash flow from selling 6 different option contracts that range from $41.34 to $225.33. I received a total of $517.03 for the 6 option contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Sorry, you can't see exactly what I sold. My cash flow goal for 2025 is $30,000. Yes, that is more than $2,000 per month, but I'm sure I will continue to beat my weekly and monthly cash flow goals. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. What should I do with my $517.03? I will probably take it out. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount decreased from the prior week, last week versus this week. And my total account value decreased by minus 5.07%. Hey, but what's the catch? Knowledge. Anyone can learn how to do this with the right knowledge. There are many books and videos available to you to learn how to invest, trade, and generate cash flow. Your results will vary, of course, depending on what stocks and options you use. I now use Bitcoin-related stocks and ETFs to generate cash flow or income. What do you use? Work? I hope you like that job, and I hope you don't get laid off. YouTube? How many subscriptions do you need? How many views? Stock dividends? How much stock do you have? Bonds? How many bonds do you have? Real estate? And what were your related expenses? And how much time did it take you to make your money? My related expenses were 0, and I spent almost no time. I spent my time doing things like this. Check back every week to see how much cash flow or income I generate from week to week and whether or not I meet my cash flow goals. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.